As we have discussed in previous video, solution of pair of linear equation in two variable, we discussed about the graphical method. Now the second method is algebraic method. In algebraic, we will solve by three types: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. So today we will discuss substitution method of algebraic part. So it's an algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation in two variable. So our first method is substitution method. As name indicates, substitution, we will substitute value of one variable from one equation to the another equation. So as we have discussed already one question in graphical method, that same question I am taking here. So this question I am taking. We have two linear equations. This 5x plus 7y is equal to 50, another 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So I am giving the name, this is first equation and second equation. Now from the first equation I am calculating the value of y. Okay, y, 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x, and if you remove 7 from here, then it will go in divide. So this value I am placing in equation second. This is the y value from equation 1. Now with the help of equation 2, 7x plus 5y value I am placing this 50 minus 5x upon 7 is equal to 46 from equation 2. Now we will solve this equation and we will find out. Now one thing you see, why we eliminated means we substitute the value of x in this. Now here in this y is not there, so only one variable is there, that is x. So that's why we are calling this method substitution method. Means what we are doing, from one equation we are calculating the value of one variable, okay, in terms of other variable, and we are substituting in another equation. One main important point of this method, suppose we are finding the value of x from equation first, then no need to place in first again only, then your solution will be wrong, you will not get any solution. Okay, so suppose you are calculating the value from first equation, then place in second. If you are taking from second, then substitute in first in alternate cases. Now we will simplify. Okay, 7 I am taking as a LCM. Now this nothing is there, 1, so this is 49x plus 5 multiplied by 50, 250 minus 25x is equal to 46. Now we will multiply, and here from 49 we will subtract from 49x minus 25x, then 24x plus 250 is equal to 46 into 7. Now you can cancel out also, it's your choice. Here both the equations are divisible by 2, means you can take 2 common. Is 250 is divisible by, check कर लो यार. So multiply, we have done 24x is equal to, the multiplication 46 into 7, 322, transfer 250 minus 250, so 24x is equal to, this is coming 50, 72, and the x value 72, sorry not visible, if not visible I am writing here, 24x is equal to 72, x is equal to 72 divided by 24, 3 times is going, so x value is coming 3. Now we got x value, so this x value we will place in this and then we will get y value. So another part, y is equal to 50 minus 5 into 3 upon 7. 50 minus 15 divided by 7. 50 minus 15, 35. Y is equal to 35 divided by 7. So y is coming 5. Finally, we got the solution x and y. X is coming 3 and y is coming 5. So this point is satisfying, or this we will call the solution of these two linear equation in two variables. So this is the substitution method. What we will do, again I am telling you at last. First, from one equation we will take out the value of any of a single variable in form of another variable and we will place in another equation. Okay, for the both the work we will not use the same equation, means we are taking out the value from equation first and we are substituting in first only. This we will not do, means another equation we will do. So this part you see and note down and solve more questions on this substitution method. In word problems also you will see few questions related to the substitution method. First you have to convert in algebraic format and then afterwards this same method we will use. So finally we will write x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of these two linear equations. You check once, means suppose you have doubt in your mind, is it correct or not? So this is the method. Examiner will not ask question, in your book also it is not there. 3, 5 you place in this, in both the equation and check once. This is the checking method I am telling you. Suppose x value is 3 and y value is coming 5, so you place once here. 5 into 3 plus 7 into 5, 35 plus 15, 50 is coming, means correct. For this equation it is correct. Now for this also I am checking. 7 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Now you see this is 25 and this is 21. 25 plus 21, 46, means 46 is coming, means correct. Like this you can check also your answer at last. Means suppose if you have doubt in your mind, otherwise in main exam we will not do this part because it will take time. So if you have doubt regarding your solution, that is it correct or not, so you check, you place in both the equation and then you will get to know that is it correct or not. So you solve more and more questions on this topic. Bye.